So this is the final assembly part. You can see I got most of them together already. I wanted to do that before I filmed this part. There's a few little things that have to happen. You can see by looking at this part there's a little bit of a radius in here, which means that the nut that holds it on has to be radius 2 to match it. So that's what I'm going to do right here. And it's just a matter of holding on to it without cutting your fingers up. Charlene, you're going to like this. There we go. It's not hard to do, it's just hot. And you could do this in the machine. Quick and dirty way of doing it. So there's the radius. Now when the nut goes on it, it'll fit down almost right tight to it. When I tighten it down on the part, it'll pull it up tight. So let's go in the other room and put this together. So the first thing to do is put the keepers on here and the washer on here. And it's a little bit of a trick, but it's not too bad. There's the first one, it's in the groove. That keeps the pin from coming out. The second one goes on to hold the washer from sliding up and down. Okay, I put it in here just to hold it while I'm wrenching it together so it's easy to work with. There we go. There we have it. Now where I had put a center in there to center that piece, I'll just take and that's it. All I do now is put them in the lathe and polish the caps, get all the scratches out of them, and then I'll nickel plate them and then